Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now this is the step 3. Like I said in my previous lecture, Smart API is something that connects your Python code from with your broker, Angel one that you're using here. So in case you haven't signed up for it, you need to sign up. Go to smartapi.angelbroking.com and sign up, add your basic details, and the password need not be the same as Angel one, so I suggest don't keep the same password. Angel client ID is also optional, so I suggest don't give this one as well. Once you log in, once you sign up, you can log in, and then it will open this page. So when you go to my profile and my APIs, it will open this page. Here, I already have some APIs and keys, so I've blocked them out. I've blurred them out. But what you can do to create a new key is press on this create an app. Alright, so once you have created an app, it goes here. Once you've clicked on create an app, it goes here. Now, there are few kinds of APIs that they have given here. Publisher API, historical data, market feed, trading API. Trading API has majority of these things included. I've tested for historical data. So that definitely is there, what you need the most. So I would suggest choosing this trading API and give whatever name you want to give, like Arushi key test, whatever. This is an important thing. If you have to give a redirect URL that redirects to your own laptop. So this is the local key you will for all our local hosts. So mention this one in this. Postback URL is optional, no need to be given. Angel client ID is also optional, no need to be given. Alright, once you have created this, it creates a separate key in this place of yours. It will add another key. I'm not adding that, so feel free to add, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Now, what I'm going to do is walk you guys through this Smart API entire website. They have very cool stuff given here if you wanna go through them quickly. So how you can install Python, we have already done that. Does it offer historical data? Yes, it offers historical data, which is the most important thing for us right now. It allows streaming of live prices as well. We'll see that in our future videos. It for FNO only NSC is there, which is okay. We were going to work on NSC only, but I'm sure they're going to add historical options data as well. Future is there, and options might be added later on. It's okay, we'll see when it happens. And what kind of orders can be placed is all of these orders can be placed, and we'll go through it one by one. We'll place all of these orders one by one in our future videos. And all right, so another very important thing is, let's go to the API documentation. Okay, actually no, before we go there, let's go to the technical FAQs, which is one thing that I want to show you is where did that go? Yes, where can I get the list of all available tickers for trading? This is the most important thing. If you click on this link, it has all the tickers. For example, AH list, RRPL, Max Health, Shanti, Swaraj. It has HDFC, HCL Tech, everything that you need is there, ICICI. And we are going to use this extensively to get our instrument list and use basis that. All right, so this is okay. Now, one more important thing that I wanted to tell you that I'm going to use extensively in my videos is this API documentation page. For example, they have given what all orders can you place. You can place order, modify order, cancel order, get order book, get last traded price, etc. And the variety is stop loss, AMO, robo. Robo is basically a fancy word for bracket order. And so they have, most important thing is for placing order requests, for example, they have given a params list. You just have to copy this and change it for your own. So they have made it really easy in this sense. We don't have to use much of our brains. We just have to use these params list, cancel order, get order book, trade book, LTP, everything they have given. Historical API also they have given for 1 minute, any kind that you want. They have given get candle data response. They have given everything and anything and everything is here. So we just have to take a look at this before we are uh, writing any code. We are going to use this extensively, hence I'm walking you guys through this. All right, so in the next video we are going to start coding. See you guys.